Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Friday the 6th of October and I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts of the Aussie dollar against the US dollar, commonly known as the Aussie. On TradingView it's the code AUD USD. What we will see is that on the weekly we've come back to support of the 20-week moving average, but we pulled back from the 200-week moving average, which continues to move down. I think we're going to see a pincer movement between those moving averages, so we're going to see a consolidation and a narrow trading range. However, the daily and the 4-hour charts both still look negative for the Aussie dollar. Let's look at those charts. Okay, just let me get ready. Sorry. So here we are on the weekly. So here each candle represents 1 week. And you can see that the Aussie dollar had been strong through the summer until the week of the 4th of September and then has pulled back. The pullback was caused by the downtrend in 200-day moving average, which continues to be a negative factor as it tracks down, presently at 79.40. You can see that we are finding support this week from the 20-week moving average. So, as I said in the intro, I would more than likely expect some kind of a pincer movement between those moving averages and a period of range trading. The RSI is now indicating negative momentum. It's fallen to 49.65 and is gone in a downtrend, and likewise the MACD, the short term, has just gone below the long term, shouting out to sell on this weekly, so be aware of that. On the daily, you can see that so each candle represents 1 day's trade. You can see that the 20-day moving average has just crossed below the 50. That's a bearish cross and is a negative for the market, but we are slightly overextended away from those moving averages. You can also see that the volumes have declined as we've pulled off, which actually is quite a bullish sign. It would have been negative if we'd come off on high volume, but because the volumes are low, it's not so bad. RSI is in a downtrend, indicating the negative momentum that's presently around, and is 33.36, starting to look slightly oversold. If you look at other previous levels where the RSI is shown oversold and then we've had a bounce, it is around the 30 level or just below, so we're starting to get oversold. And the MACD again indicating negative momentum, and they've now gone below zero as well. On the 4-hour, again we're getting slightly overextended away from the shorter term 20 and 50 averages on this 4-hour chart. RSI again did look oversold, did go to 25.29. We've just rallied it on this morning, so let's keep an eye on that. This bottom wouldn't be a non-confirmation, it is at a low, but maybe we'll just see an edge up on the Aussie dollar as let the RSI come away from this oversold level. The MACD is still showing that obviously we've got negative momentum around. On the support and resistance levels, first resistance is the 50 from the 4-hour, 78.35. Then at the 20-day, 79.20. With support, well, the first support is actually the low of earlier this morning, 77.43, and then the low of 13th of March, which was 76.60. So thanks for watching this video on the Aussie dollar against the US dollar. The key takeaways should be that really expect a range trade. Weekly is back to the 20 week, but we also have the downtrend in 200 week. There could be a pincer movement between the two. We're falling on low volume, which isn't a bearish sign. So if it'd been high volume, it would have been very concerning, but it's on low volume. Be aware of that. Close to being oversold as well, but those 4 hours and the daily still do look vulnerable. So really a bit of a mixed picture, I'd say, on the Aussie dollar against the US dollar. Range trading to be expected, slightly oversold, expect a short-term bounce, but those daily and 4 hours still look bearish. So if anything, if we get a short-term rally, sell the rally. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. These videos are for information only. They're not meant as an investment recommendation, and they're only my opinion. If you've enjoyed the video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll then get email updates so when I come out with other videos. I don't just cover foreign currency, I do commodities, equity indices, and also single stocks in the UK and the US. Please read the disclaimer. Thank you.